Hey friends, if mouse settings or properties reset on restart each and every time, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the main solutions. Now here's the thing. The main reason behind this problem is additional mouse software products. I'll tell you what these products do. These additional mouse software products will change the properties of the mouse and will manage them. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps. Wait for the list to load. Click on the three dots corresponding to the troublesome app. Select uninstall and uninstall it. The next one is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Now we have a command for this, which is msdt.exe space /id space device diagnostic. Copy it or simply type it. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Paste it, hit enter. This will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next. It will start detecting problems and solve them if possible. Next one is to update or reinstall the mouse drivers. I will just say update them. You don't need to reinstall the mouse drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for mice and other pointing devices. Right click on each one and select update driver. Okay, right click and update all the drivers. And then finally, you can troubleshoot in the clean boot state. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the boxes checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.